In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an income account in QuickBooks. Adding a dedicated income account helps you keep your sales organized, makes your profit and loss report easier to read, and gives you clearer insights for planning and tax time. We'll walk through the exact clicks and also talk through how to choose the right settings so your reports tell the right story. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to Settings. You'll find the gear icon in the upper corner of your screen. This is the control center for your company's setup and preferences, and it's where you manage things like lists, tools, and most importantly for today, your accounts. From the Settings menu, select Chart of Accounts. Think of the Chart of Accounts as the master list of every bucket where your money comes from and goes to. Income, expenses, assets, and liabilities all live here. This is where you create new accounts and keep your financial categories consistent. Once the Chart of Accounts loads, click New. This opens a fresh account form so you can define exactly how this income should appear on your financial statements. Next, set the account name. Use a clear, descriptive name that matches how you earn the money. For example, you might use product sales, service income, consulting revenue, or online course sales. Consistent, specific names make reports far easier to scan and help you quickly identify trends later. For account type, choose Income. This tells QuickBooks that money recorded to this account should appear at the top of your profit and loss as revenue. Be careful not to choose Other Income unless this revenue is infrequent or secondary to your main operations. Then, select the appropriate detail type. This adds helpful context for reporting and categorization. You might pick Sales of Product Income if you sell goods, service/fee, income for professional or labor-based work, or Other Primary Income if it doesn't fit a standard category. Choose the option that best matches how you actually earn this revenue. Add a description to clarify how and when this account should be used. A short note like, used for recurring monthly support retainers or revenue from digital downloads, helps anyone on your team stay consistent and reduces misclassifications. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. You'll return to the Chart of Accounts, and your new income account will appear in the list, ready to use on invoices, sales receipts, and deposits. If you maintain multiple income streams, repeat this process to create separate accounts for each major category so your reporting stays clean and actionable. That's it. Your income account is set up and ready to go. Keeping accounts organized now will save you time and confusion later.